If you've been trying to figure out how to import PlantUML in Lucidchart, there's an important detail you need to know right away. Lucidchart does not support importing PlantUML.POML files through the standard import menu as editable diagrams. So, if you were expecting a simple file upload and instant conversion, that's not how it works. But don't worry, because there is still a way to bring PlantUML sequence diagram code into Lucidchart using the UML Markup feature. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step, and I'll also show you the limitation you need to watch out for so you don't waste time on the wrong menu. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, log into your Lucidchart account and start from a blank document. Click New, then Lucidchart, and then choose Blank Document. This gives you a clean workspace to work with, which is important before you load in any markup or diagram code. Once your document is open, look to the left panel and click the Shapes button, or the plus shapes option depending on your layout. This opens the shape library, and here you need to search for UML sequence. That's the library Lucidchart uses for this workflow. Check the box next to UML sequence, and then click Use Selected Shapes. This step is important because the markup tools won't be visible until the correct UML library is enabled. After that, go back to the left sidebar and find the UML sequence library you just added. At the top of that library, click Use Markup. This is the key feature that lets you paste in UML-style code instead of drawing the diagram manually. Now, here's where the big limitation comes in. If Lucidchart prompts you to upgrade your plan, that means UML Markup is not available on your current subscription. In that case, you won't be able to import PlantUML code through this method unless you upgrade to a supported plan. So if you see that message, that is completely normal, and it simply means the feature is premium. If your account supports it, the markup editor will open. Now copy your PlantUML sequence diagram code. For example, you might have something as simple as @startUML, Alice arrow Bob, hello Bob arrow Alice, hi, and then at endUL, paste that code directly into the markup editor. Make sure the syntax is clean, because even small errors can prevent the diagram from generating correctly. Once the code is pasted, click Build or Generate. Lucidchart will process the markup and create an editable UML sequence diagram from your PlantUML code. That's the main benefit here, because instead of starting from scratch, you can turn structured code into a visual diagram much faster. After it generates, review the diagram to make sure the participants, arrows and labels look correct. If needed, you can still adjust the layout or styling inside Lucidchart after the import is complete. So to recap, the standard Lucidchart import menu does not support PlantUML files directly, but sequence diagrams can be brought in through UML Markup if your plan includes that feature. If you are searching for a simple .puml file import, this is the workaround you need to know. And if you want more Lucidchart tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.